to unbox this mirror cube. So let's start. Got it. Now let's open it. Wow, this looks so shiny, and it can also reflect light. As you can see, looks cool, doesn't it? And if you are wondering what's difference in this and a 3x3, there's no difference except for the size of the pieces. So this is exactly like a 3x3 but a different shape. So I'll scramble it to this is very fun. I would recommend if you want to buy it. It's from GE. It looks very cool, and it is also a very good cube. But this cube is not like just a fun shape shifting mode of a 3x3. So it is exactly like a 3x3, but the only different thing is all the pieces are not symmetrical. So I'll shuffle or scramble it even more. Now this looks like a rare gold. It looks very rare. Like it looks very good. And now I'll show you how now if you're wondering what I did with the manual, so I'll show you a video for better explanation. Let's see it. You may know Rubik's Cube manuals are literal trash. You don't need them. They are trash. So I'll tell you what I do with my manuals. But before that, I'll show you something. Yeah, I just learned that with a YouTube video, not a manual. So if you want to learn how to solve cubes, you need to watch a YouTube video, not a stupid manual. But I'll show you still what I do with my manuals. First, I open it up. And then I study it like this. So first it says right, and then no, wrong way. First it says right, then it says left. So then I'm going to copy it. Right, left. Oopsie, oops, oops, oopsie, oopsie, oops. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oops, oopsie, oops. I'll burn this later. Inner peace, true inner peace. Subscribe this video and this channel and like this video. If you don't, maybe you will be next time instead of the manual. Inner peace.